viewers, today I am going to read this storybook, Animal Ark, Lamb with the Laundry, and it is written by Lucy Daniels. It could be wild and windy in winter, and the snow could pile itself into drifts 2 meters deep. But today in the spring sunshine it looked perfect. The car climbed higher and Mandy and James looked back. Welford lay spread out below them. They could see Animal Ark, the old stone cottage at the front and the modern extension that housed the surgery at the back. They spotted James' house at the other end of the village and Mandy's grandparents' cottage with their camper van sitting outside. And behind the Fox and Goose was the lane where Walter Pickett and Ernie Bell lived, both church bell ringers, like Granddad. Then there was the church and the post office and the village hall. "It looks like a toy village," James said. "Look," said Mandy, "you can see Walton. And there's the school." Walton was the neighboring town, 2 miles from Welford. "Ugh," groaned James. "Don't mention school. Not when the holidays have just begun." "And there's the cottage hospital," Mandy said, pointing to a long, low building on the outskirts of Walton. It was the little local hospital for Walton and Welford. "Gran says there's a new matron there now." James nodded. "I know," he said. "Johnny Pearson broke his leg playing football. He's in the cottage hospital. Mark says he's scared stiff of matron." Mark was Johnny's older brother. He was in Mandy's class at school. Mandy pulled a face. She must be bad if Johnny's scared of her, she said. "Johnny's a holy terror." James grinned. "Mark says it's time somebody kept Johnny in line." Mandy turned to face the way they were going. "Look, Dad," she said. "There are lambs in the fields already." Mr. Hope's beard twitched as he smiled. "As if I didn't know it," he said. "How many call-outs did I have last week?" "Oops, sorry," Mandy said. The Hopes were always very busy at lambing time. James was looking out of the side window. "Mrs. McFarlane was saying that somebody has moved into Fordback Farm," he said. The McFarlanes ran the Welford post office. Mrs. McFarlane knew everything that was going on almost before it happened. Mr. Hope nodded. "The Spillers," he said. "I have been in to see them a couple of times." I hope you like this video. Allah Hafiz.